In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark messages as unread on WhatsApp web. This is a simple way to flag conversations you want to come back to later without changing what the other person sees. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for WhatsApp web. Click the official result or go directly to the WhatsApp web page. You'll land on a screen with a large QR code. Keep that page open. Now, on your phone, open WhatsApp, go to the section where you link devices, and choose the option to scan a QR code. Point your phone's camera at the code on your computer screen. Within a moment, your chats will load on the left side of the browser, mirroring your account. Once you're in, find the conversation you want to mark. You'll see your chat list on the left. Hover your mouse over the specific chat. With your cursor over that row, perform a right-click to open a small menu. If you're using a trackpad, a two-finger click usually works. From the menu that appears, select Mark as Unread. Immediately, you'll notice a small green dot next to that chat. That dot is your personal reminder, signaling that you want to revisit this conversation. It does not undo read receipts or make the message appear unread to the sender. It's strictly for your own tracking on your device. If right-clicking isn't convenient, there's an alternate route that does the same thing. Hover over the chat again and look to the far right of that chat preview for a small down arrow or menu button. Click it to open the options, then choose Mark as Unread. The same green dot will appear. If you don't see the arrow, try moving your mouse over the chat or widening the browser window slightly, as interface elements can shift based on screen size. A quick tip: the unread marker is a lightweight reminder. When you open the chat again, the dot will disappear, indicating you've revisited the conversation. If the option doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page, ensuring you're connected to the internet, or briefly logging out and back in by removing and relinking the device from your phone's Linked Devices section. That's all there is to it. By using either the right-click menu or the down arrow menu on the chat preview, you can quickly mark conversations as unread and manage your follow-ups more confidently on WhatsApp web. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying on top of your chats.